Hey, welcome back. Today I am doing a 1-year review on our 2021 InTech Luna Rover, which is right there. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do a loop around. You guys already know what I've done to this, and I'll touch on the additions I've made and any observations that I've made for the camper. So here we go. Some of the mods that I've done include, I have added an additional crankjack there just to stabilize it when we're in it, because it's been a little bit wobbly. So that completely rectifies the situation there. Some people talk about putting a puck underneath that holds the wheel from rolling, but in our case that wasn't the case. We bought a little stool because getting in and out is a little rough on my old bones. This is just the average stuff that we put some pillows in. We have our two little fold-out bed wrapped up in this fake fuzzy fur stuff. It has a 32-inch TV, and it has the Magic Fan along with multiple lights and speakers. Storage. The storage above the television, the doors are put on wrong. They don't stay up. I'll give you an example of that. You're trying to get into your DVDs and they automatically shut. They should have put something that stays open, but that's small potatoes. I put this piece of cardboard. I'm going to put a piece of cloth over this because this is super bright at night, even at its lowest setting. Yeah, and also I put a piece of tape over the light for the CO2 propane gas alarm, because that's also really kind of bright at night. I did a video on adding a 1,000-watt Renogy inverter so that I can run the television and anything that requires a plug off of the battery. And I upgraded my battery to a Volthium 1000 or 100 amp hour LifePo 4 battery, and that is much better than the junk that comes with these trailers. I also have a little knockoff mini Nintendo, and let's take a boo around the side. This side, we bought these from Amazon. They are magnetic fold up window blinds. They just stick on using Velcro. Got them for both sides, and they're super, it blacks things out. When you pull down the blind in the front and pull down these double blinds here on each and pull this down, you have absolute complete privacy. You can see that there is no inward tilt, and we probably have, I don't know, 1,000 kilometers on this thing, from going back and forth and boondocking and going in the woods and going to campgrounds and stuff. You can see there's no inward tilt on the wheel, which means that by now it would have if it was the bad axles that were recalled. So you got to think about that if you look along this here, and if they tilt in, you got a bad batch. Get them replaced under warranty. In the kitchen, we have the regular Coleman cooler. Let's put air quotes around cooler. What else do we have? We have a bunch of stuff. Pots, pans. Have this little cover to go over the glass just in case we ding it. A little monster speaker. I got check this out. We also picked up a sweet little cast iron griddle that has raised edges on one side and flat with a grease tray on the on the other side. That was I don't know, like 40 bucks at Canadian Tire. That's Canadian dollars, so it'd be about $3 American. Under the sink, you can see that I have wired in, including fuses, the Volthium 100 amp hour LifePo 4 battery. You can see it's only got 54%, which will get us through watching TV tonight. And the fan, I forgot to charge it up, so that's my bad. What else? The wiring goes through here to the 1000-watt inverter. So there's that. We got the mandatory wheel chocks, got some stickers, and I put on a Rhino Rack Sunseeker awning, and it comes out to about, you know, comes out to about here, which is about 8 feet. Has guy lines to tie it down and stuff. It's really solid. It's a decent thing. There's the truck I pull it with. A 2021 Ram 1500 Warlock. And yeah, so that's the once around on this trailer. We absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. If this thing blew up tomorrow, I'd go immediately and buy another one, because we have so much fun in it. Like it's perfect for 2 people. Oh, this one here also has a washroom. So we have washroom facilities. It's a water flush toilet into a cassette. So we have all the luxuries of home in this tiny little package, and I couldn't ask for anything more for a trailer for 2 people that want to get out camping, boondocking. You know, we can go back fire roads, no problem whatsoever. Yeah, there's a 15.5-inch ground clearance, so not that I'd ever take it where I'd need 15.5-inch ground clearance, but it's there. So yeah, we love it. We absolutely love this thing. So the 1-year review. So yeah, I would give this an absolute 10 out of 10. There's nothing more that I need in a camper. Like, it's super cozy, super duper cozy, lots of room. When we watch TV, these lay out. We put our pillows there, lay back, lots of room. Like I can spread right out and, you know, just lay down, and we're not all stuck together. It's legit. It's yeah, 1 year in, if I could do it again, I would. So that's my review. If you guys have any questions, hit me up below. I've learned a lot about this camper. Oh, one thing I don't like that much is the quality of the speakers. For the money we paid, the speakers are like dollar store computer speakers. They could have done a lot better on that. But other than that, I got 0 complaints. So if you have any questions, hit me up below. I answer every post that people make on this channel, as you probably already know if you're a returning visitor. So yeah, 10 out of 10. We're stoked. Go buy one. Don't believe the hype. Like, share, subscribe.